In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in ClickUp account. Let's walk through the entire sign-in process from start to finish so you can get into your workspace quickly and confidently. First, open your preferred web browser and go to clickup.com. This is the official homepage. It's a good idea to bookmark it for future use so you always start from a trusted address and avoid look-alike sites. On the ClickUp homepage, look toward the top right for the Login button. Give that a click and you'll be taken to the secure sign-in page. If the address changes to the app domain, that's expected. This is where you'll actually enter your credentials. In the email field, type the email associated with your ClickUp account. Take a brief moment to make sure there are no extra spaces copied in and that you're using the same email you registered with or that your organization uses for ClickUp. If your browser or a password manager offers to autofill, double-check that it's selecting the correct account. Next, enter your password. Passwords are case-sensitive, so watch for caps lock or keyboard layout changes. If there's a show or hide option, feel free to reveal the password briefly to confirm you typed it correctly, especially if you're on a private device. On shared or public computers, avoid saving your credentials and keep the password hidden for security. Once both fields look accurate, click the Log In button. You may see a short loading indicator. If your account has extra verification enabled by your organization, simply follow your usual verification prompt. Otherwise, you'll move directly into your ClickUp environment. After a successful sign-in, you'll land in your workspace. This is your command center, where you'll access spaces, lists, tasks, dashboards, and docs depending on how your team has things set up. If you work in multiple environments, check the workspace name near the top of the interface to confirm you're in the right place before diving into your tasks. If something doesn't work on the first try, here are a few quick checks. Make sure your email has no typos, confirm the password's capitalization, and ensure your internet connection is stable. Trying a quick page refresh or a different modern browser can also help if the page doesn't load as expected. That's it! You've gone from the home page to a successful login and are now ready to get productive inside your ClickUp workspace. Remember to log out when you're done on shared devices and keep your credentials secure to protect your work.